The world is full of incredible creatures, but few are as important or as busy as the honeybee. These tiny insects work tirelessly, creating something humans have enjoyed for thousands of years: honey. But their real work goes far beyond just making something sweet. Let's take a closer look at the secret life of honeybees. A beehive may look simple from the outside, but inside, it is one of the most organized communities in the animal kingdom. A single hive can have up to 60,000 bees, each with an important role to play. At the heart of the hive is the queen bee. She is the mother of all bees in the colony. Her only job? To lay eggs, sometimes up to 2,000 a day. Worker bees, the smallest but busiest members, take care of everything: building honeycombs, feeding young bees, guarding the hive, and collecting nectar from flowers. Then there are the drones, male bees with only one mission: to mate with a queen. They don't gather food or make honey, but they play a crucial role in the survival of the colony. But the real adventure begins when worker bees leave the hive. These little explorers travel far and wide in search of nectar and pollen, sometimes flying up to 5 miles in a single trip. With a long, straw-like tongue, the bee sips the sweet nectar hidden inside flowers. At the same time, tiny grains of pollen stick to her fuzzy body. As she moves from flower to flower, the pollen is transferred. This process, called pollination, helps plants grow fruits and vegetables. Without bees, much of the food we eat would not exist. But how does nectar turn into honey? Once back at the hive, the bee passes the nectar to other worker bees, who chew and mix it with special enzymes. They carefully spread the nectar inside the honeycomb, then fan it with their wings, evaporating the water. Over time, the nectar thickens into golden honey, which is sealed with wax to keep it fresh. And finally, we have one of nature's sweetest gifts: honey. But bees do more than just make honey. They are responsible for pollinating over 75% of the world's crops: apples, almonds, strawberries, even chocolate. These plants all depend on bees. But there's a problem. Across the world, bee populations are declining due to pollution, pesticides, and loss of habitat. Luckily, there are ways to help. Here's what you can do to protect bees. Plant more flowers. More flowers mean more food for bees. Avoid pesticides. Harsh chemicals can harm bees and their hives. Give them water. A small dish of water can help tired bees stay hydrated. The world of honeybees is full of wonder. These tiny creatures work tirelessly, shaping the world in ways we often don't notice. The next time you see a bee, remember, she's not just buzzing around, she's on a mission, one that helps keep nature alive. If you enjoyed learning about me and my bee family, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn more about the amazing world of nature. Buzzed. See you next time.